In the current electric vehicle industry, there is a huge demand for charging stations, and most of the people want to start charging station business, but the problem is they don't know how to start the charging station business. So in this video, I will tell you how to start charging station business in India. Namaste, I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela, your EV bro. Actually, this is a series of videos how to start charging station business in India. If you watch each and every video, then only you will get complete knowledge about charging station business. And the first video topic is the charging station business market in India. If you want to start charging station business in India, you need to know about the electric vehicle market. According to SMEV report, as of 2023 June, the electric vehicle sales in India is 25 lakhs. So the 25 lakh electric vehicles been sold in India, and these 25 lakh electric vehicles are registration models. So if you consider the non-registered electric vehicles also, overall 30 lakh electric vehicles are available in the Indian market. Now out of this 30 lakh electric vehicles, 15 lakh electric vehicles are two-wheelers, 14 lakh electric vehicles are three-wheelers, 1 lakh electric vehicles are four-wheelers, and finally 4,500 electric buses. Percentage wise, 50% electric two-wheeler market, 46.8% electric three-wheeler market, 3.4% of electric four-wheeler market, and 0.15% of electric buses market. Now the first segment, it's about electric two-wheeler segment. If you look at the charging station business segment in the electric two-wheelers, out of this 15 lakh electric two-wheelers in India, 80% of the users are charging their electric two-wheelers at their home because of the less cost and also the safety. Another 10% of electric two-wheeler users using the charging stations, and another 10% of the electric two-wheeler users, they go to charging station but very less amount of time they visit the charging stations. So overall 20% of electric two-wheeler users using the charging stations, and 30% of the electric two-wheeler users want to have charging stations, but lack of charging stations, they are unable to use charging stations. Now the next point, out of the 15 lakh electric two-wheelers in India, 3 lakh electric two-wheelers are actually from Ola Electric and Ather Energy. So 3 lakh electric two-wheelers, Ola and Ather Energy, these supports fast charging. So overall 15 lakh electric two-wheelers, 12 lakh electric two-wheelers supports only slow charging, and 3 lakh electric two-wheelers supports fast charging. A point to be noted here that companies like Ultraviolet, Torque Motors, Hero Vida V1, these electric two-wheelers also support fast charging, but they are very limited amount of sales. There is one more point we need to consider. Users of Ola Electric or even Ather Energy users, even though there are fast charging stations available, most of the users not using the fast charging station, because if they use the fast charging stations, their battery pack life will go down. That is one of the reasons they are not preferring the fast charging stations. That's why they are going for the slow charging station availability only. Also, Ola and Ather users use the existing charging stations from Ola Electric and Ather Energy. So there is no kind of, so these users mostly don't go with other charging stations. So considering all these facts put together, the charging station business possibility in the two-wheeler segment is 50%, and in the 50% more possibilities for the slow charging options. Coming to the next segment, it's about the electric three-wheeler market. There are 14 lakh electric three-wheelers in the India. Out of this 14 lakh electric three-wheelers, 60% of the electric three-wheelers are using for B2B purpose, and the 40% of the electric three-wheelers are passenger electric vehicles. Now, in the 60% of the B2B electric three-wheelers, 50% of the electric three-wheelers already commercial charging stations are set up by the companies itself, and the remaining 10% of the commercial electric three-wheelers, swapping stations are being used. Now coming to the passenger electric three-wheelers, out of the 40% of passenger electric three-wheelers, 35% of the electric auto drivers used to charge their electric three-wheelers at the home. In the 35%, 15% of the electric three-wheeler owners prefer to charge at home because of the less cost, and the remaining 20% of the electric three-wheeler owners charging at home because lack of charging stations, and finally 5% of passenger electric owners also using charging stations. So in the electric three-wheeler segment, there is a 60% of possibility for charging station business. Already in the B2B segment, charging stations were already established. And the next segment, electric four-wheelers, which means electric cars. Out of 1 lakh electric cars, 10,000 electric cars are being used for commercial purpose, and 90,000 electric cars are actually private ownership, which means individual owners of electric cars. Now for the 10,000 commercial electric cars, already commercial companies set up the charging station infrastructure. Now coming to the 90,000 electric cars individual owners, most of these individual owners used to charge their electric car at home. But if in case they need to go at least 100 kilometers or more than 100 kilometers of distance, definitely they need to use charging station network. So out of 90,000 electric car owners, everybody want to charge their electric car at charging station, especially they are going for long distance, at least more than 100 kilometers. But due to lack of charging stations, they are unable to do charging. In the electric car segment, there is 90% of business opportunities there. In the electric car owner segment, 80% of the owners want to charge their electric car at fast charging stations, and 20% of the owners want to charge their car at slow charging stations to save some money. And finally, electric bus segment. Most of the electric bus segments, the electric buses are being operated by the state governments only, sometimes private ownership, but already for electric bus charging stations been already established by the respective bus companies. So there is no kind of business opportunity available in the electric buses segment. So considering all these market facts put together, the major opportunity in the charging station business is electric four-wheelers, followed by electric three-wheelers, and followed by electric two-wheelers. In the next video, we will discuss about what kind of charger we need to use for the charging station business. If you are an EV owner willing to share your ownership review with us, please WhatsApp your details to the number shown on the screen, or else fill the form link in the description below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to EV Bro. For reviews, please subscribe to EV Bro Reviews. For automobile content, please subscribe to MBS Auto. Charge the nature, drive the future.